In Longview, skies were sunny, with a temperature of 47 degrees. The dew point was 33, making the relative humidity 58%. Winds were southeast at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.03 inches and falling. Once again in Tyler, it was 48 degrees with cloudy skies at 10 a.m. Here is your area's open water boating forecast. Wind gusts may be higher. Rest of tonight, cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. New Year's Day, a 30% chance of showers in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy. Windy. Highs in the mid-50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Wednesday night, showers likely in the evening, then showers and isolated thunderstorms after midnight. Cloudy. Conducted every Wednesday morning unless severe weather is in the area, and then the test is postponed until the next good weather day. There is no severe weather in the area on this New Year's Day. Repeating once again, this is test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm system. This concludes this test. Happy New Year.